Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with life and style. Today I'm gonna show you some amazing and beautiful crochet bags designs and you guys will love it. Look at the designs and color schemes and the patterns, like mind-blowing. I just love them out, so I thought I would like to share it with you guys, and you guys can get an idea for your own business and you can customize these designs for your clients. If you like the video, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel, share with your friends, comment, likes, and do whatever you want to do. And this bag is my most favorite bag, and the color scheme is so nice and elegant. You guys will love it. And the beige color, like usually women used to wear some light colored bags, and this looks more elegant and more prettier as compared to the bold colors. What do you say, guys? Give me your opinion regarding the color selection of bags, and hope you will enjoy the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.